Hey guys, figured I'd just do a quick vlog. I'm at the next stage of the cell building. The nickel on these things were insanely good. I think I only found one row that just literally pulled off. The rest of them you really had to dig to get it off. There was a lot of crap left over on the top, which I grinded down with this $20 deal. What I thought was just going to turn into a pile of sand. These actually work pretty good if you're into battery building. They do a really nice fine job on the tops and the bottom, and they don't wear out that much. I did all this pack here, top and bottom, and I only went through one. The other one is still in the Dremel. But these ones here, if you try and rip off the tabs on the bottom, you're gonna put a hole in the cell. So I just basically cut into squares, the nickel. And say hammer it down, but I tapped it down so it's totally flat, and then give it a light dusting with the sandstone. You should be able to get nickel on there, no problem. This is the stuff I picked up. I'll leave a link in the description for this because it's always hard to find good nickel, and this is actually pretty thick for what you pay for it. Super cheap. Actually, it was so good I got 2 rolls, and this is going to work pretty good for this pack. What I'll do is, so I don't have to do any jumper wires from cell to cell, what I'll do is I'll just leave a little extra on the cell, and then I can just basically bend it over and solder it or spot weld it down to the next one. But this and these are turning out to be a good deal on this build. I don't always get good deals. I ended up picking up 2 dollies, or I thought were dollies. They're actually knockoff, but honestly, I don't care if they work properly or not. As long as the balance circuit is there, that's all I really care about. These are modifiable. I would like to actually do a video where I can do something stupid like put a relay on it that will cut the power to the battery or something. I don't know, something stupid like that. Anyway, I got 2 of those coming. Yeah, I wouldn't mind actually put them side by side just to see what a knockoff looks like and what changes, what's different inside. We will do that. Yeah, I figured I'd give you an update on this. It's a pain in the ass. You can see there's blood still on the table. I got some nasty cuts. But yeah, that turned out pretty good. It's that the brackets holding the batteries are actually a really nice thick 3D printed bracket. They're going to take a little bit of abuse. Once I glue the pack together, it's going to be pretty solid. Once again, I'm only using shoe goo, so if I have to, I can pull it apart and swap out a cell if I need it. But this is going to turn out to be, what, 24 volts at maybe 25 or 28 amp hour. That's more than enough. 2 packs like that, plus a little booster. We're good. But anyway, I figured I'd give you the update. This is how far I got. If I was to go through all the stages and record every minute, it would be a pain in the ass. So, take it easy. See you in the next vlog. Later, guys.